today we're gonna look at this unit 907. So we will be going through a complete renovation in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we are in the unit 907 today. This is the second day. So they already got all the popcorn ceiling done, and then the bathroom is already kind of really demo out. The mirror, and they are taking it out, but everything already here. They already ripped out the wall. So whole shower, bathtub is already gone. So day 3 on unit 907, you can see that all the popcorn ceiling already be removed. You can see everything is taken care of. And then here we are. They already start putting mug on the ceiling, and here is the 9. We are back in unit 907. Let's see how's the progress go. So going in here, you can see that they already have the showers finished. I know it's kind of a little dark here. Going in here, all the ceiling already been finished. It's getting ready. 907, let's take a look. Wow, look at that. All the flooring's been done. The shower is already completed. All the walls been done.